Climate Kids. Climate Change, a guide for future climate heroes. Hey there, future climate heroes! I'm Musa Asher, the Earth Guardian, just like you, an 8-year-old kid who cares about our planet's future. Today, I want to talk to you about something really important: climate change. Climate change is happening, and it's something that will affect almost every child in the world, including you and me. You might have already heard about it at school, seen it online, or even talked about it with your friends. It's a big topic, but don't worry, we can understand it together. Let me tell you something surprising: no one has all the answers about climate change, and it's okay if you don't either. There are many reliable resources available online, including talks, videos, and articles that can help you learn more about the science behind it. NASA has some great child-friendly resources on the topic. You can also speak with other parents to find out how they approach the topic with their children. In this simple guide, we'll explore the important topic of climate change together. Don't worry if you're young, because understanding climate change is something everyone can do. So, let's dive in and learn how we can work together to make a positive impact on our planet. Now, let me first talk about simple weather and climate, so you, my future climate heroes, can better understand the concept. Weather describes the conditions outside right now in a specific place. For example, if you see that it's raining outside right now, that's a way to describe today's weather. Rain, snow, wind, hurricanes, tornadoes, these are all weather events. Climate, on the other hand, is more than just 1 or 2 rainy days. Climate describes the weather conditions that are expected in a region at a particular time of year. Is it usually rainy or usually dry? Is it typically hot or typically cold? A region's climate is determined by observing its weather over a period of many years, generally 30 years or more. So, for example, 1 or 2 weeks of rainy weather wouldn't change the fact that Phoenix typically has a dry, desert climate. Even though it's rainy right now, we still expect Phoenix to be dry because that's what is usually the case. Now, let's talk about what climate change is. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term changes in the Earth's climate patterns. Our planet's climate has always changed, but what's happening now is different. Human activities, like burning fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas, cutting down forests, and producing lots of waste, are causing the Earth's climate to change faster than ever before. Greenhouse effect. To understand climate change, we need to talk about the greenhouse effect. Imagine you're in a greenhouse, like a glass house full of plants. The sun's rays can come in through the glass, warming up the inside. But some of that heat gets trapped inside, just like how a blanket keeps you warm at night. This trapped heat is called the greenhouse effect, and it helps keep our planet at a comfortable temperature for living things. However, when we release too many greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, like carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, it's like adding extra blankets to the Earth. This causes the planet to get too warm, leading to climate change. Effects of climate change. Climate change can cause many problems around the world. Some of the effects include rising temperatures. The Earth is getting hotter, leading to heat waves and extreme weather events like hurricanes, floods, and droughts. Melting ice and rising sea levels. The polar ice caps and glaciers are melting, causing sea levels to rise. This can flood coastal areas and harm marine life. Changing ecosystems. Plants and animals depend on specific climate conditions. When these conditions change, it can disrupt ecosystems and put species at risk of extinction. Unpredictable weather patterns. Climate change can make weather more unpredictable, making it harder for farmers to grow crops and affecting the availability of water. How can we help? As future climate heroes, there are many things we can do to make a difference. Save energy. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics when not in use, and use energy-efficient appliances. Remember, every bit of energy we save helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Choose reusable items over disposable ones. Recycle paper, plastic, and glass, and compost food scraps. This helps reduce waste and saves resources. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping to counteract climate change. Get involved in tree planting projects in your community or plant a tree in your own backyard. Conserve water. Use water wisely by taking shorter showers, turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, and fixing leaks. Water is a precious resource, and conserving it helps protect our environment. Spread the word. Talk to your family, friends, and teachers about climate change. Encourage them to make small changes in their daily lives too. Together, we can create a big impact. Remember, you're never too young to make a difference. By becoming aware, taking action, and inspiring others, you can become a true climate hero, like me. Great job, future climate heroes! You now have a better understanding of climate change and how it affects our planet. By taking simple steps to reduce your carbon footprint, conserve resources, and spread awareness, you're on your way to becoming a force for positive change. So, let's work together to protect our Earth and create a brighter, greener future for all living things. You've got this! Thank you for joining me on this journey to save our future! As future climate heroes, we have the power to make a difference. Let's take action and create a positive impact on our planet. Parents, please like and subscribe to our channel. Together we can make a difference and become climate heroes. Thanks for watching!